Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Osen, the guy with the soprano. So today I am going to show you around Zurich. I'm in Switzerland. Yay! I hope you enjoyed my first video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So is TikTok. So let's go around. Big Ben pub. Okay, Paradise Bird. This is my hat's here nice. Oh, people are just chilling. It's quite an experience, and there are statues everywhere. I wouldn't tell this was a hotel. And next thing is like a restaurant and shop. You can get your condoms there. Condomeria. Paintings on the walls, ancient paintings. This is the church. I went in and took some pictures. This is the old town in Zurich. There goes the bell. It's Sunday. One interesting thing, you'll find people parking their scooters here or their bikes, and they go about their life. And this is also the old town. You will go up the hill. It's quite interesting. This is when you go down. The sun is coming from this direction, hence things looking better this way. Yep, this is the old town, and right up here is you're going up the hill. The buildings are quite interesting. They look similar. Most of the signs are in German. Frankenkrass. The streets. Right there is the Zurich Lake, and here is, I don't know how to say it, but it's like at the 6 o'clock, the bell will ring, and people are just chilling here, having their meals. This is the Opera House in the old town in Zurich. Yeah, this is the Opera House, the Zurich Opera House. On the right is me on the front camera, and the back is the opera house. Is like this. This is the house, and this is where I was standing. Local beer with the soup. That is not nice. Okay. I should get a guide. Expensive. Yoko Uno. Fun with the museum. One thing that you're going to face here is that almost everything is written in German. So you have to figure things out. Your boy is in Zurich. Your boy is in Zurich. I'm in Switzerland, bitch.